So I'm just chopping up a few bloopers behind the scenes from the UTErritory build and thought there's a few things that I could probably elaborate on that I didn't quite touch on in the main video. And by the way, I have a whole build series coming about this factory, so stay tuned for that one, but let's go sus Terry. Before we get into it, I just want to say a massive thank you to absolutely everyone that jumped in the comments, shared it, supported this whole build, because to be completely honest, I thought this thing was going to get a lot of hate. So it makes me feel like all our hard work was totally worth it. And you know what? Ooh, am I teed up? So, main thing is everyone's like, you gonna turbo that thing? And let me tell you, that is the plan. But what I need from you is to go buy some merch, because I can't afford a turbo, bro. Do you know how much turbos are for these things? Fuck. Fun fact, I actually made a whole Might Die decal for the side to cover up a few of the imperfections, put it on one side and thought, I don't even like this. So I ripped it off. So what do you reckon, sticker or no sticker? Everyone always asks about these wheels too. Now I had these on the original T1 for years and thought, gotta put them on UTErritory. But fun fact, these are actually a spare wheel off a Dodge Nitro. So you need 4 Dodge Nitros to steal the spare wheels from. And if anyone's got one, I need one because I need a spare wheel for my spare wheels, spare wheel. Now look, we know that there's a lot of body filler in it because we put it in it. But the plan was to just get this concept out of our heads, make it a reality, and then if it got a really good response, well then we'll go back and put the work in. And from the response we're getting, looks like we're going to be putting some work in.
Yeah, no, but they're already made for use. Why didn't you just get one of those?
Oh, did they? Oh, I didn't even know. I can't believe no one told me. You know what I can't believe is the lack of effort in people's minds. They don't want to try new things. They just sit back and go, well, there's already one, so we'll just deal with that. Not around here. I like to create things. When I have an idea, I need to get it out of my brain, and that's what we're going to keep doing around here. But in the meantime, enjoy the behind the scenes.
You ready?
So we're going to salvage as much of this as we possibly can.
Oh, me door!
So we're going to salvage as much as we possibly can. Oh, that was a big one. Third time lucky. Possibly can. Fourth time lucky. Possibly can. Crazy, bro! Alright, we now have an alternator.
Oh!
Oh, lovely.
Yes! Yes! Look at that!
I don't know if that worked. I think it's too windy out here. Hey guys, welcome to behind the scenes of the territory video. I'm literally thinking I'm gonna get full sexy on this one. Oh, me grill! A little bit of a pan in too, so like sort of take a step. Or if you want to go like that, then that's cool. But can you sort of see a bit of all of me in the manifold? Yeah. All right.
Oh. Oh, shins! Fuck! Three, 2, 1. Welcome, T3. As if that's not the best one.
You have to do it again though, cut your head off.
Fuck! Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Go.
Full leather, bro. I went too far. This one. Nah, give me a fucking cheese pie. That's mad, I need that. About to de-roof this territory. Let's go. All right. So we currently have a stubby little territory U. Now for the hard job. Halt wind. Go. So here we have the Terry Utility. Fuck me drunk. Terry Utility. This is going to be so fucked. That was mad. Or like this. One, go. Yeah, it needs a rear width. Oh, f that one up. Sorry, dude.
AU Falcon Ute stripped. I don't even know what I'm saying here, but I'm documenting it just a little bit. This is what we need. Okay, cool. Thanks for coming. Got no idea. You scratched me fucking roof, dude.
So much talk, the whole body snapped coming off the road.
You know the only thing that's going to look weird is this, the little, like a little, it will be like that little tub feeling. And I feel like the wheels won't look centered. But that could also make it look fat and chunky and a little bit cartoony.
A little bit of nitty gritty. Let's go. 5 days after finding out that someone else has already done one. That's shit as. Not happy, Jan, a little bit disappointed, but let's get serious. We're gonna do it way fucking better. Not happy! Another day, more grinding.
Tie me kangaroo down, sport! Tie me kangaroo down!
So before we put a little bit of paint on, we thought we'd put the bike in to triple check that it fits, and it doesn't quite fit. So we've got to get the grinders back out. Bike fits. No worries. The moment we've actually been aiming for here is to get a bike in the back. Full-size dirt bike in the back of a Terry. Look at that. Cut that back section out. That'll do for now.
Yeah. Yes. Oh, that was it.
Fucking call it door, but
Danny, come on.
The only Ford Territory. Ah!
so let's go suss fucking
Ford use. Why didn't you just buy one of those?
All right, so I hope you've enjoyed the behind the scenes and a few bloopers, most of the time at my expense because I can't string a sentence together most of the time. But I've also got one more thing to mention. Now, this other Ford Territory that popped up on Marketplace has popped back up on Marketplace, and I've been in touch with him. I can't quite tell you what's going down, but you will find out in another episode of the Territory saga. But until then, suss out some other videos, enjoy, and I'll see you on the next one. Some valve caps.
If you want to get yourself some merch, it is all pumping out the door. We've got the hoodie, big logo on the front, massive logo on the back with the car, all that, 8 colours. Same deal with the t-shirt, logo front, big one on the back. Now you can also get some combos. We've got a bunch of combos, so you have to jump on the website, find out which one is yours. But you got mugs, mouse pads, you got stickers, and on the ultimate combo you can actually have a piece of Territory. So this is it's got a screen printed design on the back, signed by me and Tully, aka JT, the man who helped me do all this. So if you want a piece of Territory and some limited edition merch, get on the website, find your combo, enjoy.